Hello, dear students. Today we'll be talking about one important topic, that is pedigree analysis and genetic disorders. I will explain to you what is pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis is actually family medical tree. Can simply, it's a family medical tree. Just as a family tree shows who is related to whom, pedigree chart shows who is affected, then who is normal, how a disease or a trait is passed across generations. Since we cannot do controlled breeding experiments in humans, scientists study family history only. Now, what is pedigree analysis helping us to understand? It helps us to understand whether a disorder is inherited or not, whether it is dominant or recessive, whether it is autosomal or sex-linked, chances of the disorder appearing in the future generations. Then, if you just want to memorize it, then there is a pedigree. Like pedigree, there's an analogy like pedigree. You can think of Google Maps of a genetic disorder. It shows where the disorder started, how is it traveling, and who might be affected next. Now, before we talk about these symbols over here, why pedigree analysis is important? Because it identifies genetic disorders, it helps in genetic counseling, it predicts risk in offsprings, it distinguishes between dominant and recessive trait, used in diseases like hemophilia, color blindness, thalassemia, then sickle cell anemia. Now let us talk about these symbols. This square, which is not filled, this is a simple square. So it is male. It is representing male. Circle is representing female. So these symbols are very important. You must know these symbols. Then this sign is representing sex unspecified. Then if these are filled, that means they are diseased. If these are filled, these boxes are filled, then that means they are diseased. If we have to show matting, we have to just draw a horizontal line between male and female. That's showing matting. If there are two lines in between male and female, that means it's a marriage between or matting between relatives. Then if we have to show the next generation, we show the next generation by this vertical line. These are parents, and this is the next generation. These are the children of these two parents. This is generation one, this is generation two. Then, if we have to show a diseased child from the parents, we will have to fill that like this. This is a male child which is diseased, which have come from these two parents. And if we are writing like inside the symbols, we are writing numbers that tells us five unaffected uh, offsprings. Now, this is important. These symbols are very important to just memorize. You must memorize them, and then you must know that how to find out whether a pedigree is whether the pedigree is like dominant, it is recessive, or whatever it is. So there are two pedigrees which are given in your textbook. I will just explain to you how you find out in an easiest way, though it does not apply to all the pedigrees, but still the pedigrees which are given in your textbook, it applies to them. Number one is we have to find out whether it is a dominant trait or it is a recessive trait which is going through the generations. Now, if it skips the generations, then it is a recessive trait. Just remember dominant only. If it does not skip generations, like say this is generation one, this is two, this is three, and this is also three only, because this is the parent, female, male. They are getting married, and they have these children, one, two, three, and four. This is not the children of this male and female. This is the another female which is getting married to the children of these parents, because it has been shown it's not connected here. If it was connected, then it was the child of these two males and females. Then, so we have to see whether it is dominant. It should not skip generations if it is dominant. So it is present in this generation. Disease is present in this generation also, and third generation also. So it's a dominant trait. So here you can see it is dominant. A is dominant trait. Now whether it is autosomal or it is sex-linked. So let me tell you about sex-linked only. Autosomal, other will be autosomal. So sex, if it is sex-linked, then it should be gender specific. That means the disease should be present in males only or females only. But here you see female is affected, male is also affected. In the generation, in any of the generation, male is also affected. So it is not gender specific. That means it is not sex linked, it is autosomal. So autosomal dominant. Let's apply these two rules here. So number one is dominant. It does not skip generations. Is it dominant? No, because it skips generations. You don't have disease here. So it is recessive. Number one, it is recessive. Is it autosomal or is it sex linked? Sex linked is gender specific. So is it gender specific? No, you have female affected, you have also male affected over here. So this should be recessive. So it is autosomal recessive trait. This is how you identify it. By using two simple tricks, you can easily identify these pedigrees. I hope you understood how you can identify the pedigrees and you can apply this if any pedigree is asked in the exams. Uh, if you want to understand it properly, you can watch the video again. Thank you very much for just watching this video.